So custom fields and relationships. Let me click on new button to create a new custom field. Then step 1 is asking to choose the field type. The field type means the data type, the nature of data I want to store for my field. Well, in the first section, none selected means I have not yet selected any data type. In the next section, I have 3 fields which are read only. I can read them. To edit them, to write them is not in my hand. They are a read only field, like auto number. At the time of creating object, we have seen text data type, auto number data type. Auto number means it gives an incremented number. The number is automatically incremented for each new record. For example, if I want my first records format like employee number 100, employee space number hyphen 100, I will define that the format is employee hyphen number, then it should start with 100. Then the first record will be employee number 100. The second is 101, 102, 103, like that it goes, which is read only. You cannot change it. Then formula. So you will give some basic value. For example, employee's basic salary. Based on that, you need to calculate something. TA, DA, HRA, so and so allowances, all together that much, and you want to minus deductions. Altogether, what is the net taken to home? You want to calculate on some basic value. The employee basic salary is entered by you, the user. Then the formula is made over that, which is read only. Based on the basic value, this value will be updated. Whenever you change the basic value, automatically the net salary will also be changed. And here the beauty in Salesforce, you will have formula not only the numbers, you can do formula on text. We will see detail. You can have formula return type, text also, boolean value also, either true or false, checked or unchecked, right? Date also. Suppose the date. Today is bid opening date. When I need to close, I will define that as per our policy of organization. The bid should be closed within 15 days. So I have a formula field that is taking the base value as created, bid created date or bid published date today plus 7 days. So that's the beauty in Salesforce. You can have formula return type text, boolean value, that is true or false, checked or unchecked, date, numbers also. You have 6 return types. We will be saying them in detail. Well, you have one more read only field which is not active at this time. Roll up summary. If I go to its information, if I take the mouse over there, it gives the detailed description and some help text. You cannot create this type of field on this object because it is not the master in a master detail relationship. So by reading it, I can understand to use this read only field, a roll up summary field, I need to have a master detail relationship. In that master detail relationship, this object should be a master. Till this extent I have understood, but I do not know what is relationships in Salesforce. What is master detail relationship in Salesforce? Well, in the other section I have 2 fields. This is called relationship fields. Lookup relationship field, master detail relationship field. It is simply and nothing more than or nothing else than parent-child relationship, that what we know in any database management system. In any RDBMS, whatever we are putting parent-child relationship using primary key and foreign key, the same is applied here. If it is the case, parent-child relationship, I need to have only one relationship here, that is parent-child. But why do I have two relationships? Okay, right. I am not discussing about this now. After a few classes, when we have some more knowledge, then I will be coming back here and I will be explaining these relationship fields. But till the moment, we have to understand that we have two types of relationships: lookup relationship, master detail relationship. Well, if I go to the other section, these are the data types where exactly I can enter the data, I can store the data. Here I have 5 types of text data types: text, text area long, text area rich, text encrypted. Well, all these are text data types only. But why do I have 5 separate and different data types? And as I told you, behind the screen it takes string. Behind the screen it takes string only. But as a user, as a point and click tools developer, declarative features developer, it's very easy for you to choose and do your development work. By the way, what is text? If my requirement is to store text string data type, that is a combination of letters and numbers up to 255 characters in a single line, I can select text data type. For example, employee first name, employee last name. Suppose if I have taken employees custom objects first field, standard field, that is name field as auto number, I need to provide employee first name, employee last name. So to store employee first name, hardly I require 30 characters or 40 characters, even not up to 255 characters in a single line. Then I will select text data type. Then what is text area? It is also, the limit is 255 characters only, but the provision here on separate lines. This text area can be selected when your requirement is like that: small information that is below 250 characters but on separate lines, like your address line 1, address line 2, like address. Then you have long text area or text area long. What it is? When you have to store more than 250 characters, when you want to store more than 255 characters, obviously it will be on separate lines or same line, no problem. Then you will be taking this text area long when you have the limit 32,768 characters on separate lines. Well, then text area rich or rich text area. This is a beautiful data type I found in Salesforce. This rich text area, or you can call text area rich, which is like your text area long, 32,768 characters only, but you have a formatted text. Whenever you compose your email, what you have, you can format it, like make it bold, italic, underline, left, center, right, such type of formatted text. Then you can add image within the field. For example, you want to insert your passport photo, employee's passport photo within the field. Yeah, this rich text area is giving that feasibility to the user to add image within the field itself. And one more thing, you can add link. We know the link will be there. Click me text. Suppose if you take the mouse over there, for example here also, monitor what is happening. Whenever I am taking the mouse over there, a hyperlink is there. Once I click that, it will navigate me to some place. Here also within the field itself, you want to give link to your employees specific profile in your organization. So to see here, it will be text as monitor, like click me. Once you click on that, once you click on click me, it has to navigate to your organization link where the profile of the employee is at www.abcxyzinc.com. Just for example, abcxyz.com/ your employee ID profile. So that is link. In text area rich, the beauty is that you have a formatted text and you can add images and you can add links. What is text encrypted? This encrypted text data type is responsible for storing any sensitive information in encrypted format. We need not be confused with password type of thing. Whenever we are logging in our email accounts in a secured environment, we need to provide our credentials. The password is always masked. Whenever you are typing, it is a masked one. But here, this is not that. When the user is entering, the user knows what he is entering. But after saving the record, as per the security concerns like PHI and other policies, we need to make it encrypted after saving the record. We have some format for that. You can encrypt like star star star, otherwise XXS format. You can encrypt the last 4 characters clear, all mask. You will be seeing, we will be seeing it, right? This is encrypted and we are not confusing with the password type of thing. Well, then what's URL data type? The URL data type, the name itself is indicating URL. To add an hyperlink, just like a link we have discussed here, to add a hyperlink, just I will show one record of standard object, then we understand it. Let me go to new tab. So I have given my organization's instance. So I have got the page. Let me browse through. Let me browse through one of standard objects records. This is sample data provided by Salesforce.com. In this, you have various fields here. Come here, rating, phone, fax, website, so on, so, so on, so. Whenever I am going to the value of rating, hot, there is no hyperlink, no hyperlink for phone, no hyperlink for fax. If I go to website, I have a hyperlink. If I click that, it's navigated to specific website. So it means that whenever I am storing the information of my vendor or my customer, I need to store the website of my customer or vendor. If I click it, it should navigate their website. Your URL data type will do the same. While entering, you will enter just www.soandsocompany.com. That's it. Once you store the record, you will be having a hyperlink over there, and in the record detail page, if you link on the hyperlink in a new tab or in a new window, you will be navigated to their website. That's your URL data type. No, just the time is 7:45. Whether we will take a break, we will continue just. Madhu, I am logging out. You also log in again.